Hello, I'm Dr. Nadine Hamada. I'm an international faculty member of the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine, and I would like to invite you all to join us in our upcoming class for Level 1 in Cairo, Egypt next September. In Level 1 of American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine courses, we're trying to give you the fundamentals of chemical peel, skin conditioning, of injection basics for botulinum toxin and injectable fillers, and you will get very good fundamentals and foundation of aesthetic medicine with us in Level 1. Don't miss it.